This is rev.com, a website that we are going to use to make money today. I'm going to show you how you can make money using this website. Of course, through typing, which I always talk in this channel. It's very easy for everyone. So before we get started, I want to ask anyone that is watching this video that help by subscribing, help by liking the video before we start this. So let's go direct into the video. This is going to be a very simple video. So this is rev.com. It's a website that people come and they want their content, their videos, their audios to be transcribed into text. So how are we going to earn here money? So we are going to earn here the money the same way through transcription jobs, freelancer jobs that even a free beginner can apply for. So keep in mind, mark this very well. This website depends on your location, might not be available, especially the sign up process. So for me in Africa, it looks to be available. So I don't know. Let us know in the comments below if you got the job, if you were able to apply for this. But it's a very simple way of doing jobs online. This website here, rival.com. So I want you to go to this link here, rev.com/freelancers /. So here is where we want. We are going to earn money here. Rev freelancers jobs let you work from anywhere in the world. This method is available everywhere: Uganda, Tanzania, United Kingdom, United States, Spain, anywhere. Earn money transcribing, captioning, and subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Of course, the schedule is yours. You work according to your hours. You choose hundreds from the hundreds of jobs that you will be provided. Payments are done weekly, which is a good thing. Transcription is here. You listen to the audio and the video. Accurately type what you hear. Label speakers, of course, everyone that's speaking, need to give them a name. Range of pay, this is they pay from $0.3 to $0.1, which is $1 and 1 cent and 10 cents. Here is from 30 cents to $1 and 10 cents, which is good per audio minute. For video minute, audio or video minute. Captioners, they earn $0.54 to $1.1. This one is a little good, but it's the same thing. So learn more, you can click this one, then you go and learn. But here, start making money in 3 steps. You take a quiz, very quick one, demonstrate your English language and grammar skills, submit the transcription caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure that it meets the customer's quality expectations. If you are approved, you will be able to register and start earning right away. Subtitlers are here. They earn a little more money per audio hour or per video hour. They earn $1.5 to $3 per audio hour. Minute, audio minute. So these are the reviews, futures. Really, these are big companies. Fabs is here. Yeah, so all you need to do is click on this button here, sign up to be a freelancer, and you will be taken to this page here. Let's take a look at this freelancer transcription. Of course, you see here, and money. This is a sign up process, but freelancers, you can just go to this. When you press on this button here, when you press on sign up, it will take you to this. Or you can press when you press learn more here or here, it will take you to this, depending on the job you want to do. Put in your first name, put in your last name, put in your correct email address, put in your country. You see here, there's so many countries. that this is available. Of course, if you're in Europe, the better. But for me, you see me, I'm Uganda, and here, this is my country, and I can see. But this is very nice. It has very many countries here, which is good. So yes, register. They'll send you a simple test that you'll do, and you'll get paid. Start earning money. So this is how it's interesting. The payments are done via PayPal here, and the average earnings per month is 245. The top earners are earning $1,495 per month. Those are top earners. Average is 200, which is total good for me. I don't know about you. Type below and say, I love this amount. Type below and tell us which amount is more comfortable with you per month. So this is rev.com for you. It's a simple website. I wanted this to show you this very quickly so that we don't miss this opportunity. You don't have to be a pro in typing, a pro in computer. Please register. Let's start earning money. Let us know if you're successful in your transcription test. One thing I can tell you about transcription test, you have to do your great work. Take this as your company. Take this as your working place. You concentrate so much, spend time reading, spend time listening to whatever is said in the audio or video. Yeah, make sure you get paid. Make sure you pass. You see, these people are good to work with. They're available everywhere in the world. They work like magic. This is free money, guys. Free money. Let's register. Let's sign up. So support me, subscribe, like the video, comment. You see here, it is said in the United States 4 million people visit this website, which is a good thing. Guys, let's subscribe, like the video. Let's go and work. If you fail, don't worry. Repeat, come back and repeat. Failure is a key to success. Failure is a teacher that will teach you what you went wrong, what you did wrong, and you'll succeed. So, my comrades, I love you guys. See you in my next video.